In this video, Jerome and I will show you how to create a new user account in Focus.
Guys, yes, so I'll just share my screen here. We've added a couple extra flows to allow anyone to access Focus and use its public features. And today I'm just going to walk through one of those flows. So my name is Jerome, so I'll make an account at Adaris Energy. So keep in mind, when I click this button, it's actually going to check my domain and find an organization associated with it. If there isn't one, then it'll prompt me to actually create an organization. Adaris Energy exists, so it's going to ask me if I would like to be part of that organization, which we'll see in a bit. So I click continue, and then it sends me an email where I need to validate that email is actually my email. So here is the new user account email validation code. So every time you create a new user, you'll get a validation code, which is just an extra layer of security to make sure that the email you entered is your email. So I'll enter this validation code. So here's the validation code, and I'll click continue. So now it's as I mentioned earlier, it's noticed that I'm part of that email domain is associated to Adaris Energy. So now it's going to ask me, it appears your organization has a managed account with us. It's going to ask me if I work for Adaris Energy, which I do. So I'll continue to fill out my profile. All right. So now I've uploaded a picture of myself, and it allows you to crop your avatar. So now that I've chosen my avatar, I'll hit save. Next. And so when I hit submit, I'm actually making a user request that's going to be sent to an admin at Adaris to approve my account. So I'll submit. So your request has been sent to your organization's administrators for approval. You'll be notified by email regarding next steps. So an email has actually been sent to all the organ admins that I've requested to join their organization. So now I'll let our organization admin, Christina, do the next steps.
Okay, so let me go ahead and share my screen here. I have a new email saying that Jerome has indicated that they are an employee with our organization and would like to create an account in Focus. So what I'll do is I'll log into Focus and approve this request. So there it is. We can see the new user account request for Jerome. We'll go ahead and we'll review it. So we can see the details there, and we need to select a role. So these roles mimic the same roles that we currently have in Focus. You have view, edit, and admin, where admin is the strongest level of permission, and view has view-only access. So I believe we were going to give Jerome today legacy admin permission. Then we'll review. Everything looks good, so we will approve that account. So once I've approved Jerome's account, I can go into the Users tab in the middle of the screen here, and I can see all of the users. So if I scroll down, Jerome, here's Jerome. We can edit those, delete, remove access, all of that great stuff. So we can see who has access to our organization and make any edits as necessary. All right, so after you have looked through your users, you can also take a look at the settings here, and you can see the domain that will match up with each person's email address and corresponding alias. So anybody who has an email address with adarisenergy.com or solarops.com will be invited to the Adaris Energy organization. So now Jerome's going to pick things up.
Yep. So now the ball's in my court, so I'll share my screen and complete the next steps. So I'll re-enter my email. And then so I'll get another validation code. This is, again, a security measure to make sure that that email is indeed mine. All right. Here we are. It's just going to request me to enter a password, so I will do that. All right. So I've created an Adaris account, and I'm an admin, so I have all the admin privileges.
This video went over how to create a new user account in Focus. Thanks for watching.